Hey there everybody, today we're going to be talking about a brand new keyboard that I just picked up, and it's the Keychron K4. Now this is a 96% keyboard, so it still has a number keypad, but it doesn't have all the keys that you're accustomed to seeing in a 100% layout. You saw in the unboxing there that Keychron really does a great job of packaging their products, and it's a really nice presentation. And as someone who's purchased a lot of keyboards in the past, this is a welcomed sight to see so much attention taken to the packaging of the product. Now this particular keyboard can go either wireless or wired. It's set up for Windows or for iOS. This comes with the brown switches in there, and it's got white LED. Let me show you this. This is the keyboard. I mean, look at that. I mean, the lights, the keys, and in the intro, you heard the sound of the keys. Here, I've got my mic here. Let's see if we can. I mean, they're mechanical. It's soft, but it's not silent, which sometimes you get with softer keys. But it doesn't have that mechanical clicky sound that can be obnoxious if you've got other people in your office or around the house listening to you clack away. The one thing I did notice about the keyboard is that it's very tight. And so the number keypad, or the number keys, are very close to the letter keys. So you don't have those gaps that you're used to seeing in a full-size keyboard, but you still get all the same keys. And one of the keys that I use a lot in my emails is the key to the left of the number 1 key. And I'm gonna see if I can get this here. This is a key right there. Yeah. So that's the key that I use a lot, and yeah, let's see if maybe that'll pick it up. And so I use this key a lot, and a lot of times when you get a keyboard that's kind of been concentrated down and in smaller form factor, they will omit that key. But I use it a lot in what I do, and so it's nice to see it there. You still get a dedicated escape button or key. You do get, and I have it over there in the box, but you saw in the intro, the puller, so you can pull the keys out. You get a couple extra keys in there, and you can change the switches if you want. And so right now, this keyboard is on sale at Amazon for $55. Normally, it's, I'm looking at it right now, normally it's an $80 keyboard. And so it's on sale, you're getting 30% off. Now, I'm not affiliated, I don't get any affiliated or any kind of kickbacks or anything, commissions, anything like that. I just like talking about gear that works, and this is an awesome keyboard. I've searched high and low for the perfect keyboard, and this particular one, while it may not be perfect, it's as close to perfect as I've come. I've got a closet full of keyboards that I'm no longer using. So Keychron, they make outstanding keyboards. They also make ones that are way more expensive than this price point. But hey, if you're in the market for a new keyboard and you want one that is a gaming keyboard that's gonna take all the abuse and keep going and looks good at the same time, then you need to look at the Keychron K4 96% 100 key wireless and wired keyboard. Hey, this is Mike, LoadF Media. We will see you in the next one.